Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is Tuesday the 4th of November and I did take one trade today, only on my combine though, unfortunately. It was a TP trade. I made $730 and no trades on my Express. So this combine is now up 1.8k, which is nice. So I'll walk through the day, what trades I took or the trade I took and what my bias was. So coming into the day, we had dropped down a lot during Asia and London. So I was mostly leaning towards catching along up to these unfilled gaps. We had 4 hour, 1 hour, all the time frames unfilled gaps, which is what I was looking to trade up to, either for us to go lower at open and trade up to them, or if we go up to them first, take a short to target these lows. But I was fine with both basically. So we had this we have this new week opening gap from last week, which we traded into. I kind of wanted to go lower into this, maybe fill it out completely. However, ES did trade and fill this out, so NQ might not have to. So then here at open, let's go into a lower time frame. I really wanted to see us take this London low at open to catch a reversal trade long up to these highs. But we did not take that low. We instead took out this low. But we had no SMT with ES whatsoever, and the only thing we were reacting off of was a 5-minute bullish. We had this 3-minute bearish gap, and here we make one low and another low here with no SMT. If this would have had an SMT like this, then I would have been more inclined to take this long, because other than that, we get nice momentum up, we get assist. However, I also would have wanted to see the disrespect of this candle basically. Do we get a 30-second no 30-second inversion here as well, so not really the best entry here. However, here we come up, we disrespect this small 5-minute, the 3-minute, all of those farewell gaps, and we get a strong close above, get a 5-minute breakout, and these highs are just so nice to target. London high here, these relative equal highs, and this unfilled 4 hour, so the target is like very nice. And ES or NQ did not take these highs on at first, so we retraced lower into this 3-minute gap, which I have marked out here, and then we come into the 3-minute. We get this internal SMT with this low inside this bullish gap, and then once that happens, we almost touch the CE level of the gap, and then we get momentum up. So what I entered off of here is this 15-second inversion right there. So we get momentum inverse this 15-second, and I basically entered right away. I should have had a better entry. I wish I had recordings of it, but I got slippage, quite bad slippage, and also I just tapped into the 15-second when this closed, and then we got fast momentum up after, and I wasn't too focused on getting a good entry. I just wanted in right here, but I should have had my entry right here, which would have given a better RR. With the entry I had right there, it was like a 1.5 RR. So not the best RR, but other than that, I very much like this trade. It's like it's a textbook continuation long for the Trinity model, basically. I would say we get a 50-second inversion. We have internal SMT. The only thing is we didn't rebalance this range, but I did not see that as necessary really, especially when the draw was super clear. I went BE after this high got tapped, and it was quite close to taking me out break even, but I ended up getting saved and TP hit. So a very nice trade. Unfortunately didn't take it on my Express, and yeah, as you can see, I got a bad entry here because I was kind of stressed out, and I just had seen the 15-second when we closed, so I was too stressed out, and stuff to take it on the express. I just want to, and I didn't know how many contracts contracts to take. I just took 10 contracts, and I had no idea how much I was gonna risk. I just defaulted to 10, but yeah, it was an okay risk. I think I must have risked like 450 something, so it's nice, good amount of risk. But yeah, since I didn't have the calculations and stuff, and I didn't take it on the express, unfortunately, wouldn't have been a huge window on the express either way. Probably would have taken like 5 contracts, so $400. But yeah, $400 would have been really nice though. But as I showed, 1.8k on this, hoping to pass this. I'm probably gonna go for it in one trade, honestly. If a good setup comes tomorrow, I will just risk enough to pass it. If the RR is okay, then I'm not gonna risk like $800 on the trade, but if the RR is okay, I'm gonna try to go for it in that trade. And also here I was watching for shorts, did not enter here because yeah, the structure wasn't good enough, and here I wanted to inverse this gap because we had double bearish SMT and stuff, but did not get the inversion. The short ended up coming here though, but so we could have actually taken this, but it was starting to get late into the session and didn't want to take a loss because price was starting to get choppy. So I figured it was best to step away from the charts. But that was the video for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.